Hello everyone, and welcome to the Warner Brothers studio tour here in Hollywood. Today we will be doing their standard tour, which was $73 US, and it includes a 1-hour guided tour of their backlots, as well as a 2-hour unguided tour of their props, costumes, and sound stages. Before the tour begins, you are welcomed into the world of the Warner Brothers and learn a little bit of the history of the Warner family. The floor in this room is actually an exact replica of the entire Warner Brothers studios.
I think that might be the best moment of my life. Discover how your favorite movies, TV shows are made. It's nothing short of wizardry.
Sits on a 110-acre lot.
They went to the movies. Oh yeah, this is it.
This is a true working studio.
Rolling.
Let's do the math. There are 30 sound stages, a dozen exterior lots, more than 20 re-recording stages, and 680.
Go.
This is Warner Brothers.
Thank you for being a fan. It's time to join the adventure. Enjoy the ride. Stuff that dreams are made of.
I love magic.
Alright, now we are out on the guided portion of the tour, and here we are passing by the iconic Warner Brothers water tower. We were able to get off the tram at the Friends Fountain and take a few pictures. Here are a few of the photos that we got. Alright, and here we are entering the set of Gilmore Girls. It was also the backdrop for many other notable TV shows and films. We also got to visit a working sound stage, however, there was no recording or photos allowed inside. We have officially finished the guided portion of this tour. It was about an hour long, and now we are entering the Friends Cafe, or shall I say Central Perk. As you can imagine, the line was very long, but it was worth it as the coffee drinks were delicious and the food was much needed at that point in the day. This area also had a lot of costumes and props used during the filming, as well as an entire merchandise store. Alright, now we are heading out of the cafe and moving on to the self-guided portion of this tour. Here you will find several iconic costumes from different movies, as well as several interactive displays.
Love the dress, right?
Finally, we have made it onto the official Friends set. Here they let you sit on the iconic couch and let you take a few photos. Now we are heading into the sets of The Big Bang Theory. They did have a few photo opportunities here as well, but personally I have never seen this series, so I wasn't too interested. Here is a really cool example of forced perspective. They used props like this to make people appear bigger or smaller than they actually are. And here's a fun photo that we got of us sitting in the chairs.
Closer.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, my mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
I'm gonna... Yeah, I will.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, my mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents. Is that what my voice sounds like?
You didn't know?
Now we are moving on to the DC and Harry Potter section of the tour. Both of these sections had a lot of interactive props, which were really fun to experience. Now, I'll be honest, I haven't seen a lot of DC movies, but even still, it was cool to see all of the costumes and props, and I even got this super awesome photo op with a staff of some sort that lights up. I think it's from Aquaman. I don't really know, but it's cool nonetheless. In the Harry Potter section, we got to repot mandrakes.
There's nothing in your head for sorting. That was a great scream if someone did that to me!
Learn a few spells. Get sorted into your designated house.
I'm videoing.
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see. So try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be. Noble and brave, a strong combination. It can only be Gryffindor!
No reaction.
And attend a potions class. dash of standard ingredients. Powdered unicorn hair. Oh, over here. Okay. Oh.
Hi, I'm Paul Harris and I work
There was also a small Fantastic Beasts section where you can practice coming out of your suitcase.
Go ahead.
Alright, and that about wraps up our time here at the Warner Brothers Studios tour. If you ever find yourself in Los Angeles, don't skip on the opportunity to visit this place. It was lots of fun and a reasonable price. Once again, thank you all so much for watching and stay tuned for more LA content.